Are you running a Google ad campaign for a trade business and finding that you're burning through the budget and not getting enough leads?
Yeah, that's a problem.
Then chances are your ads might be triggering a lot of clicks for irrelevant search terms. Let me explain. If you're running a roofing business and your keywords include roofing, your ads might be triggering keywords like seal or sealant, and this will burn through your budget. The same can be said for loft conversions. Your ads might be triggering keywords like loft conversion plans or even company names like B&Q. So how do you avoid this? Well, it's simple, because we put together a free list that you can download and then upload to your Google Ad Campaign's negative keyword list. You'll find it in the description of this video, ready for you to download and start using right away. Over the years, we've run hundreds of Google Ad campaigns, and these are the keywords we find waste the most budget. We hope you find it useful. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section letting us know which topics you want us to cover next. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.